Oh, cheetos. There you go. I think it's recording. What is up, what is up, my boys? It's CJ522. Nah, that's trash. That's trash. What's up, gangsters and not gangsters? We here with another video, not the usual, Fortnite, Minecraft, or any gaming video. It's been a cool minute since I haven't been on camera. Hopefully I don't look the same. I still most likely still look the same, but that's all right. That's all right. Anyways, so shout out to my boy. I'm not gonna say his name because I'm not sure if I can say his name, but I think I'm gonna say his man, Joe. I think I forgot your username, bro, but I'm gonna put it right here. And I know who you are, though. I know your name. I just don't want to say it in public. But thanks to my boy, we got, and I'm gonna try to show you guys off with the progress of this, and maybe show you if it's worth it or not. We'll see. But right on for him for letting me try it out. I really appreciate that, and I'm really fucking pumped to try it out. And it's fucking heavy too. It's a fucking online grocery store, and he's like, here you go, my boy, be thirst and try it out. If y'all didn't know about me, I love to fucking cook. Like, you guys have no idea how much I love to cook. And I don't post it that much because I usually don't record it. I just cook for myself and cook for my family, for my girl, and I don't find it that intriguing. But this is cool, so yeah, fucking fresh, not letting me down. So we're gonna open it and we'll see what's inside. Well, okay, in this part I'm just gonna voice over it and just make a quick little thought of it. So it's just me opening the box, finding all the all the ingredients, everything that's listed on the menu that you order with it, it's on it. The meat is there, it's frozen, but it's kept cool with the dry ice packet that you'll see in there. And man, I'm telling you guys, this packaging is super cool, and I can't wait to get my hands on them and start cooking. And the next clip I'm gonna set it up nicely for you guys so you guys can see what's in it. Yeah, so you got the crispy chicken parmesan items, you got the melt Monterey, and you got the pork veggie bim bim bop. And here's the meats. My size of my hand. Let's open one bag. I don't want to open all of them, so let's open the Monterey one. Let's see if they really gave me the buns. That's all I was fucking hoping for. Oh shit. So you straight up get 2 buns. Like I said, it's for 2 meals. And an onion. You get your potatoes. Little garlic. Oh, that's fucking adorable. And that's more even adorable. You got this what is it? Balsamic vinegar. Can you focus, brother? Can you focus? There you go. Balsamic vinegar. That's cute. Alright. You got your cheese. And damn, bro, you got your little potatoes. And so you do get your condiments, you get the seasoning, the mayo, everything. So that's pretty dope. I didn't thought I was gonna get all of this. So that's what's up. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I know it was short, but in the next video I will show you me cook one of these. So when I put it up, I might ask which one of these you guys want to cook first. So we'll see. But today I'm just gonna eat tacos because that's all we have right now in the house. So I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. Today's Monday. Tuesday we're gonna start. Yeah.